Everyone, welcome to the Let's Learn English with Sanjana. How are you all? Hope you're doing great. This is another episode of Learning English Speaking Practice. I have already made one video which is based on present simple and present perfect tense. So this is another episode of that video also. So if you really want to improve your English, so go and watch that video. After that, you can also watch this video. Okay, and also your English speaking as much as you can. Okay, so if this video going to be helpful for you, make sure like, share, and subscribe the channel for more videos. So without any further delay, let's start our video. So present simple. We drink water with every meal. We drink water with every meal. Present perfect. We have drunk enough for now. We have drunk enough for now. Okay. Present simple. I drink tea in the morning. I drink tea in the morning. Present perfect. I have drunk 3 cups today. I have drunk 3 cups today. So, as you know, drink is first form and drunk is third form. Present simple. I walk to work every day. I walk to work every day. Present perfect. I have walked there this week. I have walked there this week. Okay, so walk is first form and walked is third form. Present simple. I sit on the sofa after work. I sit on the sofa after work. Present perfect. I have sat here all evening. I have sat here all evening. Sit is first form and sat is third form. Okay, so next is present simple. We pay the rent every month. We pay the rent every month. Present perfect. We have paid it already. We have paid it already. So pay is first form and paid is third form. Now next is present simple. I pay my bills on time. I pay my bills on time. Present perfect. I have paid everything this month. I have paid everything this month. So in present perfect we use always have with I. Okay, so next is I run in the park on weekends. I run in the park on weekends. Present perfect. I have run around the block today. Run, ran, run. Okay, third form is run, but second form is ran. Present simple. I walk to work every day. I walk to work every day. Present perfect. I have walked there this week. I have walked there this week. Okay, so walk is first form and walked is third form. As I told you, we use have with I. Present simple. We walk together in the morning. We walk together in the morning. Present perfect. We have walked a lot this month. We have walked a lot this month. Okay, so we use have. Present simple. I feel happy in the sunshine. I feel happy in the sunshine. Present perfect. I have felt great all today. I have felt great all today. So feel is first form and felt is third form. Present simple. I drink tea in the morning. I drink tea in the morning. Present perfect. I have drunk 3 cups today. I have drunk 3 cups today. So I am repeating again and again. Why? Because it's important for you. Present simple. We feel relaxed at home. We feel relaxed at home. Present perfect. We have felt calm since breakfast. We have felt calm since breakfast. Calm means शांत एकदम महसूस करते हैं हम. Okay, so feel is first form and felt is third form. Present simple. We drink water with every meal. We drink water with every meal. Present perfect. We have drunk enough for now. We have drunk enough for now. Okay. Present simple. I grow flowers in my garden. I grow flowers in my garden. Present perfect. I have grown roses this year. I have grown roses this year. So grow is first form and grown is third form. Present simple. We help our parents in the garden. We help our parents in the garden. Present perfect. We have helped the and during summer. We have helped them during summer. Okay.